A pair of Jabra Elite 85T earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone. So very easy. So first thing is go ahead and open up your case. We want to take both of them out. And first thing we want to do is put this in pairing mode. We'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue on one of these, okay? So let's put it in a pairing mode. You have buttons here on top of the earbuds. I'm going to press and hold. Ready, set, go. Just keep on holding until I see a blue light. Just wait. Where's that blue light? Right there. Let go right away. Now it's blinking blue on just one of them, so it's indicating that it is in pairing mode. Now, while it is in pairing mode, we want to go to our iPhone here, go to settings, and then we want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then from here, go all the way down and look under other devices. And these are all the devices in pairing mode that's around me. And I see the Jabra right there. Let me just tap on that right there. And give it 1 second to connect. And you can see it's connected now. Now here's the thing, if you're not able to get it in pairing mode or you have issues connecting or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well, all right? Look in the link below, I'll show you how to factory reset these, okay? Good luck, guys.